Damero Clear 3-piece set travel carry case electronic accessories organizer packing cubes. Packing cubes. Damero Clear 3-piece set travel carry case electronic accessories organizer packing cubes. Packing cubes. Milano collection large travel-friendly wig carrying case in bronze. This is really great for the price. I just wish it had come in other colors, but the way you use it is great. I have some extra styrofoam heads, and just cut the bottom of one off a few inches and put it on the post the case came with. Fit perfect, because my wigs are short and puffy like in the 60s, so I needed the room in the case. It works great. I really didn't need this now, but I'm a senior citizen and might have to go to the hospital someday, and my daughter will be able to bring me a clean wig if I need it and it won't look bad in a bag or whatever. So this was perfect. Love it. Traveling carrying case shell designed to fit tree of life. Well made, fairly good size. I use it to carry my batteries and ejuice. Savvy Sleepers Anti-Aging 100% Satin Pillowcase White Russian. Fits travel and child size pillow. Why choose Savvy Sleepers? Savvy Sleepers are the brainchild of Dale Jane, columnist and lifestyle blogger Savvy Spice. Working full-time in San Francisco and blogging until 3 a.m. was taking a toll on her hair and skin. Her Aunt Gina, hairstylist, recommended sleeping on a satin pillowcase. It's healthier for your hair and will keep it from breaking, she said. After one night, she woke up feeling refreshed. Her skin felt younger, crease-free, and her hair was smoother and more manageable. Why aren't all sleeping on satin, she thought, as she set out to design the best. After testing close to 200 satin blends, Dale Jane chose the highest quality satin in a luxurious matte finish so it won't slide off your pillow. A beauty secret rediscovered and the anti-aging luxury you'll deserve. Order yours today. All sleep, let's sleep better. Cabo Odal's Heartthrob It Bag Travel Case. I use this for my makeup bag and I love it. It doesn't look like holds a lot, but it holds 3 large Morphe palettes, 2 Makeup Geek palettes, Anastasia palette, and Velve 59 contour palette, and last but not least Japonesque bottle of primer. I love this bag. Essential Oil Carry Travel Case Premium Microfiber Quality. It's been more than 6 months since I purchased this travel essential oil case. I have been on travel from Arizona to Hawaii and I must say I needed my oils with me. I wanted a durable and simple case to carry my oils. This case is perfect for travel. It's sturdy to put in your carry-on bag and in your luggage. I was worried case was cheap plastic feeling, but it's not. It holds its shape well and fits 15 ml bottles. What I really loved was the zipper is not some cheap zipper you need to fight with. Also the netting that holds your oil is not loose, it's nice and fitted to your 15 ml bottles. Your oils stay in place. The color is not a rich plus but rather a deep plum. This is a good bag for traveling with your must-have oils. I highly recommend this travel case. WLE 300D Fashion Multifunctional Makeup Wash Toiletries Traveling. I'm no world traveler, but when I vacation I needed a toiletry bag for personal care items. This fills my need and holds all my items securely. It packs easily in my suitcase. With Prime shipping this is a nice bargain. Blue Canvas Travel Dop Kit Luggage Packing Organizer Toiletry. Great bag, perfect for a guy who doesn't like being a man with bags. I took off the leather patch on the outside with a stick remover without a problem, and my fiancé loved this as a stocking stuffer this Christmas. Would buy again. Hermit Gel Travel Case Fits Wall Beard Cord Cordless Rechargeable. Hermit Gel Travel Case Fits Wall Beard Cord Cordless Rechargeable Trimmer 9918 6171.